Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings, where every stroke tells a story. From quick gesture sketches to detailed studies, artists explore emotions, movements, and texture with just a pencil or a pen. Sketching is a journey of discovery, a way to unleash creativity and capture the essence of a subject. It encourages observations, patience, and keen eye for details. So grab your sketchbook and let your imagination soar as you embark on your next sketching adventure. In this artistic haven, discover the magic of shadows dancing under the sun's golden glow, meticulously brought to life through the tip of a pencil. Join me in the unraveling the stories whispered by each stroke, where art and sunlight converge. Don't miss out on the mesmerizing fusion of imagination and reality. Subscribe now and let your imagination unfold with every shade and line in sun pencil sun rays. Let the creative journey begin. Explore the fusion of creativity and nature as Inspire Art Linking breathes life into landscape with her unique pencil artistry. Subscribe now and embark on a visual odyssey that transcends the boundaries of imagination. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.